This mountain had a rapid growth spurt one morning in 1983, and the reason why is pretty fascinating. This is Borah Peak, also known as Mount Borah. Today, it rises to an elevation of 12,666 feet, making it the highest point in Idaho and the 11th highest state high point in the United States. However, the mountain didn't reach this height until the early 1980s, when on the morning of October 28th, 1983, the area was struck by a major earthquake. This earthquake, now known as the 1983 Borah Peak earthquake, measured a 6.9 on the moment magnitude scale, making it the strongest earthquake in the lower 48 since 1959. In fact, it actually remains the strongest earthquake ever recorded in Idaho to this day. The earthquake was so strong that it caused the peak itself to rise about 1 foot in elevation, while simultaneously dropping the Lost River Valley below by about 8 feet. It also ruptured the surface of the earth, creating a more than 20-mile long fault scarp that we can still see on Borah Peak today. Now, this earthquake simply added to the already impressive nature of Borah Peak, which towers more than 6,000 feet above the valley below. But that impressiveness comes at a cost, as you must climb most of that elevation to reach the summit. In total, the trail to the summit gains well over 5,000 feet of elevation in less than 4 miles, making Borah Peak the 8th most strenuous state high point to climb, according to the U.S. High Point Guide. However, once you reach the summit, you'll be treated to expansive views of the surrounding mountain peaks and valleys of central Idaho. And hey, you can say that you climbed 1 foot higher than anyone who climbed the mountain 40 years ago. Comment below the most strenuous mountain you've ever climbed, and be sure to follow for more geography content.